Smooth rides and reduced road noise can make every journey more enjoyable. Best, smooth and quiet all-terrain tires combine dependable off-road traction with comfortable on-road performance. In this guide, we'll compare top options that deliver durability, stability, and a quieter driving experience across different terrains. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Armstrong Tru-Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire. The Armstrong Tru-Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire is designed for truck and SUV owners who want dependable all-terrain capability without sacrificing everyday driving comfort. Built in the popular 265/70 R16 size, this tire combines a rugged all-season tread design with features that help deliver a smoother and quieter ride on paved roads. One of its most attractive qualities is the 60,000-mile tread life rating, which gives drivers confidence that the tire is built for long-term use. Whether you're commuting to work, taking road trips, or exploring light off-road trails, the Armstrong Tru aims to provide balanced performance in a variety of conditions. The non-directional tread pattern helps distribute wear evenly while maintaining reliable traction on dry roads, wet pavement, gravel, and dirt surfaces. This design also contributes to consistent handling and stability, making the tire suitable for daily driving as well as occasional outdoor adventures. Drivers who spend a lot of time on highways will appreciate the tire's effort to reduce road noise compared to more aggressive off-road tire designs. The result is a more comfortable cabin experience, especially during long-distance travel. With a load index of 116 and a load capacity of 2,756 pounds, the tire is capable of supporting heavier vehicles and cargo loads commonly associated with trucks and SUVs. Number 4. Finalist Terreno Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire. The Finalist Terreno Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire is an excellent option for SUV and light truck owners seeking a comfortable ride, dependable traction, and long-lasting value. Designed in a 275/65 R18 size, this tire emphasizes quiet road manners and fuel-efficient performance while still maintaining the versatility expected from an all-terrain tire. Its optimized tread pattern and low rolling resistance design help minimize road noise and vibration, creating a more refined driving experience for everyday commuting and extended highway trips. One of the standout features of the Terreno is its focus on balanced performance. While many all-terrain tires prioritize aggressive off-road traction at the expense of ride comfort, this tire aims to provide both. The advanced tread design incorporates step-down tread blocks and 3D siping technology, which work together to improve grip, steering response, and braking stability. These features are particularly beneficial during wet weather, where enhanced water evacuation helps maintain traction and reduce the risk of hydroplaning. The tire also performs well on a variety of surfaces, making it suitable for drivers who split their time between paved roads and occasional off-road adventures. Whether navigating gravel roads, dirt paths, or city streets, the Terreno delivers predictable handling and stable performance. Its non-directional tread pattern promotes even wear and contributes to a longer service life. Number 3. Lexani Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire. The Lexani Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire is built for drivers who want aggressive all-terrain capability combined with refined on-road comfort. Designed for light trucks and SUVs, this 265/50 R20 tire delivers a versatile blend of traction, stability, and ride quality. Its rugged appearance is matched by practical performance features that help it handle a wide range of driving environments, from city streets and highways to muddy trails and gravel roads. One of the most appealing aspects of this tire is its computer-optimized tread design, which helps reduce road noise and vibration. Many all-terrain tires can generate significant noise at highway speeds, but Lexani has engineered this model to create a quieter and more comfortable driving experience. This makes it especially attractive for drivers who spend most of their time on pavement, but still want the confidence to explore off-road routes when needed. The tire features deep grooves, full-depth siping, and an aggressive tread pattern that work together to improve traction in wet, muddy, and snowy conditions.
These design elements help increase grip and provide more predictable handling during challenging weather. The full-depth siping continues to deliver traction as the tire wears, helping maintain performance over its lifespan.
Number 2. TRAVELSTAR 116S Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire. The TRAVELSTAR 116S Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire is designed for SUV owners who need a dependable tire capable of handling both daily driving and occasional off-road adventures. Built in the 265/75 R16 size, this tire focuses on delivering a comfortable ride while maintaining the durability and traction expected from an all-terrain model. It offers a practical balance between highway comfort and versatile performance, making it a strong option for drivers who regularly encounter different road surfaces throughout the year. One of the most impressive aspects of this tire is its ability to provide a quiet and balanced ride. Many all-terrain tires are known for producing noticeable road noise due to their aggressive tread patterns, but the TRAVELSTAR is engineered to minimize cabin noise while maintaining reliable grip. This makes long highway trips more enjoyable and helps reduce driver fatigue during extended travel. The tire's all-terrain construction is carefully designed to perform confidently on paved roads, gravel paths, dirt trails, and other light off-road environments. The tread design incorporates step-down tread blocks and advanced 3D siping technology.
Number 1. Crosswind 70 R16 Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire. The Crosswind 70 R16 Smooth and Quiet All-Terrain Tire is a versatile option designed for drivers of Jeeps, light trucks, and SUVs who want dependable year-round performance. Built to handle a wide variety of driving conditions, the tire combines all-terrain capability with features that enhance comfort, durability, and traction. Whether you're commuting on highways, navigating rural roads, or encountering challenging weather conditions, the Crosswind aims to provide reliable performance and consistent handling. One of the key strengths of this tire is the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake certification. This designation indicates that the tire meets industry standards for use in moderate to severe winter conditions, making it a strong choice for drivers who experience snow and cold weather driving. Unlike many all-terrain tires that focus primarily on dry and off-road performance, the Crosswind delivers additional confidence when road conditions become unpredictable. The tire is engineered with extra siping throughout the tread pattern. These additional sipes help improve grip on wet roads and snowy surfaces by creating more biting edges that enhance traction. This design also contributes to better braking and cornering performance during adverse weather, helping drivers maintain control when conditions are less than ideal. Durability is another notable advantage. The Crosswind is backed by a 55,000-mile limited manufacturer treadwear warranty. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best smooth and quiet all-terrain tires. Each option offers a balance of comfort, traction, and durability for everyday driving and weekend adventures. Check the links below for more details and pricing, and choose the tire that best matches your driving needs.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.